Hi everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to see audio levels in DaVinci Resolve step by step. Monitoring audio levels is crucial for making sure your video sounds professional and well-balanced. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Let's open DaVinci Resolve and head into the Fairlight page. Now if you look here, we have our video edit open. Start by playing the video. The first place we can check the audio level is the track volume meter. This meter shows the variations in the audio for the specific track as the video plays, so you can get a good sense of the volume in real time. Step 2. At the top, you'll see the loudness meter. As we continue to play the video, you can see the integrated loudness level showing up here. This represents the average loudness across the entire video over a longer period. It's designed to reflect how humans perceive loudness, so it's not just about the peaks, but the overall feeling of loudness throughout the video. Step 3. Lastly, we also have the true peak value, which shows the absolute loudest point in your video. This is more precise than the track volume meter because it considers additional technical factors, ensuring there's no distortion when the video is played on different devices or platforms. And that's it. You now know how to see and monitor audio levels in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.